Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, I will give you detailed recommendations on how to effectively get rid of the ransomware called Clean. It is actually called Clean because it adds a special extension to all your important files that you store on your computer. Clean ransomware may affect Microsoft Office files, some pictures that you store on your device, music and other data, video files, and so on. Even the program files may be affected by the ransomware. So it is called Clean because it adds this special extension called exactly like that, Clean. Currently, we have some files on our computer screen on the desktop, and we can open them without any complications, as you can clearly see. We may open the Microsoft Office files, the pictures, and other data. But the ransomware, once it is launched on the computer, once it penetrates the Windows computer, it starts encrypting your data and starts adding this clean extension. Of course, there is nothing clean in it, but the extension is called like that. The ransomware then tells that you need to pay a special ransom in order to get your files restored and to get rid of this encryption from your files. The point is that simply removing this extension called clean does not fix the problem. It doesn't decrypt the file. So obviously that's a serious problem for many people. On the other hand, paying the ransom is obviously another serious mistake because there is no guarantee that these criminals would keep their word and restore your files. So unfortunately, some computers have been affected by this particular ransomware called Clean, and you may currently see this suspicious process running in the background. What you could do, the same thing with your case, is to go to the task manager and carefully research your available processes. If you locate something suspicious here, of course, you may right-click on this process and end its task. But I'm going to demonstrate to you what happens, what exactly happens with the files that got encrypted by this ransomware. As you see, now I'm still able to open some images stored on my computer screen, but at the lapse of some time, these files will also be encrypted. So this is that scary warning. However, I strongly urge you not to trust any deceptive statements in these warnings. You need to leave this page. And I would recommend you to, well, first thing you could do is to go to the task manager and end this task of the ransomware to stop its process from encrypting other information. Then you may go to the program files, start your Internet Explorer browser or any other browser, then download a Combo Cleaner program. combocleaner.com, this is the website you need to go to. So download the application, install it, and start scanning your computer in order to get rid of this ransomware. With this program, you'll also be able to get your files duly protected. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.